How to activate the dark mode on Messenger. First thing we have to do, guys, to download Messenger from Play Store and go to Messenger application. Now, like you see, we have the light mode. What we should do, we go to the left corner in our profile, and we have many choice. But all we want to do is the dark mode. We go to the first choice and we turn on, and now we have the dark mode on Messenger. Now we have another way to do. All phones, they have these options, the dark mode in these windows. When you activate the dark mode, automatically Messenger activate the dark mode. And to cancel it, we go to the same icon and we choose the light mode. That was so easy, guys. This is all in this video. Subscribe and don't forget to like the video.